Were you telling the truth? Were you telling the truth, Mark Jefferson Golden? We want to know. You need to keep a press conference tomorrow morning and explain to the people of Jamaica what happened. How comes Michael Jackson all over the country with you and him know saying 2022 Saturday Declaration was a question, him have questions to answer? How come Michael Phillips? How comes Michael Phillips was all over the place with Mark Jefferson Golden and he knew that his 2022 statutory declaration was not certified? In comrades? Come here, comrades. But we talk about this. We not argue. We are talk about it. How comes Comrade Michael Phillips was all over Jamaica campaigning with Mark Jefferson Golden, knowing full well that his 2022 statutory declaration were not certified? And we want to ask him this: what about in 2023 statutory declaration 2024? Are they certified? Based on this will come out today now. We can't trust nothing. What Mark Golden say right now, you know. Based on this that came out today, we cannot trust Mark Jefferson Golden. Based on this information that is in the public domain right now, Mark Jefferson Golden have questions to answer. You, Mark Golden, did you willingly lie to the people of Jamaica? And if so, you need to resign. You need to step aside right now. You need to step aside, Mark Jefferson Golden. We, the people of Jamaica, is calling on you, Mark Golden, to step aside. Did you lie to the people of Jamaica when you told us that all your members are up to par, and as far as you know, all your members are certified and is in compliance? Did you lie to the people of Jamaica, Mark Jefferson Golden? We need to know. We want to know. And I hope the media houses ask you these questions. I hope the media houses ask Mark Jefferson Golden these questions. We want to know if he lied to us. Because remember, 2 weeks ago, Mark Jefferson Golden, you brought a private members bill to the parliament requesting Andrew Holness to step aside because you claim that he lied to the Jamaican people. What about you now? Talk to us. Did you lie to the people of Jamaica, Mark Jefferson Golden? When you told us that all your members are certified, did you lie to us? Because here is Michael Phillips now coming to tell us that, well, and by the way, guys, make a reason it out. We're almost finished 2024. And from 2022, the Integrity Commission has been asking Michael Phillips for some information and he not turn them over. It take him 2 years. Follow me now. Follow me now, comrades. Be sure how hypocritical. It took Michael Jackson Michael Phillips. How Michael Jackson I call me name? It took Michael Phillips almost 2 years to turn over information to the Integrity Commission. And that is no to the Non-Integrity Commission. And that is no problem to no comrade. But we not talk about Andrew Holness corrupt because in the turnover information. Really? Why did it take Michael Phillips almost 2 years to turn over information to the Integrity Commission? What was he hiding? What was the problem? Why did it take Michael Phillips almost 2 years to turn over the information to the Integrity Commission? And question to Michael Phillips and the PNP, what about the 2023-2024 statutory declaration? Are you certified? Are you certified, Michael Phillips? And who else? Who else in the PNP is not in compliance with the IC? Because remember, you know, guys, remember, Mark Jefferson Golding go around the country for 2 years and told the people of Jamaica that his 13 members are well certified. And turn out that Michael Phillips was not certified. Turn out that Michael Phillips did not turn over all the information that the Integrity Commission asked him for. So we want to know from Mark Jefferson Golding, did you lie to the people of Jamaica? Well, we know you already omit information already when you tell the people of Jamaica that, oh, since I became the in representational politics, I didn't think it was okay for me to continue with my British citizen. Turn out that was false. So this is the second time you have questions to answer, Mark Jefferson Golding. Questions to answer. Wanna call the comrade leader for me, please. Call Mark Golding for me. Because when Mark Jefferson Golding was going around the country, misleading the people of Jamaica, telling the people of Jamaica about nobody from his caucus had any outstanding statutory declaration, I want to know if he was lying to the people of Jamaica. We want to know, Mark Jefferson Golding, did you lie? Did you willingly lie to the people of Jamaica? What did you know? And if you didn't know about when did you find out? And remember, also Mark Golding, remember 2 weeks ago I saw in the toilet paper media that you guys passed the law in your NEC that anybody that was not in compliance with the IC will be expelled from the party. So will Michael Phillips be expelled from the party, PNP? PNP. Will Michael Phillips be expelled from the PNP? Because remember, NEC just passed a rule that anybody who was not in compliance with the IC will be expelled. So will Michael Phillips be expelled from the non-integrity PNP? I doubt it. I doubt it. Because the PNP don't have no moral authority. The PNP is hypocritical. The PNP move the goalposts anytime it choose them, it fit them narrative. So I don't expect Michael Phillips to be expelled. I don't expect Michael Phillips to resign. I don't expect Michael Phillips to step down because the People's National Party is a corrupt organization. The People's National Party under Mark Jefferson Golding is a corrupt organization. This is the third person. This is the third person in Mark Jefferson Golding administration that having problem with the IC. Ian Eels, Dwayne Vaz, and now Michael Phillips. The third person in Mark Jefferson Golding PNP. And we the people want to know Mark Jefferson Golding, the highest paid politician in the country, the man that has his asset hidden away in a foreign trust, the man that his company is spending $20 million to invest in low-income housing in a foreign country while PNP people in a jungle are being out a door. We are asking you tonight, Mark Jefferson Golding, come out and tell the people of Jamaica what you knew and when you knew it. Come out tomorrow morning. We expect you to come out tomorrow morning with a press conference to tell the people of Jamaica when did you know that Michael Phillips was not in compliance with the IC regulations? When did you find out? Did you find out before the PNP conference? Did you find out last year before the local government election? When did you find out? And based on when you find out, what are you going to do about it? You need to step aside, Mark Golding. You are compromised. You are corrupt. You need to step aside. You preside over one of the most corrupt organizations in the history of Jamaica. You, Mark Jefferson Golding, is the leader of one of the most corrupt organizations in the Caribbean. You're the senior member, senior member of the People's National Party, is being referred by the public prosecution to be charged. Senior member. That don't look good, Mark Golding. That does not look good. Nobody from Andrew Holness administration has been referred for prosecution. No one in the Andrew Holness administration since 2016 has been charged for anything as far as it relates to corruption. No one. You, Mark Jefferson Golding, went around the country for 3 years and told the people of Jamaica that you preside over a new and different PNP. That turned out to be false. That is turning out to be false news. You, Mark Jefferson Golding, is now the leader of one of the most corrupt organizations in the Caribbean. 3 members of the PNP is now referred to by the prosecution to be charged. 3 members. What can go so, Mark Golding? What can go so? And then you want to convince us, the people of Jamaica, that your PNP is new and different? New and different how? New and different how? From 2022, Michael Phillips statutory declaration has not been certified by the Integrity Commission. Why? Why? What is Michael Phillips hiding? What is the reason why Michael Phillips' statutory declaration was not certified? Tell us, Mark Golding. Tell the people of Jamaica why a senior member of your cabinet statutory declaration was not certified by the Non-Integrity Commission. Tell us. You, Mark Golding. You, Mark Jefferson Golding, we the people of Jamaica demand to know, did you lie to us? Did you willingly, and I hope my government, after the report is tabled, I hope member of my party bring a bill to no confidence but to vote you out of Parliament, Mark Golding. I hope we bring a motion to remove you as the opposition leader. Because you are compromised. You are disingenuous. You are untrustworthy. You're not fit to be the leader of the opposition. You're not fit to represent us. Time and time again, you continue to mislead the people of Jamaica. You are found wanting on several occasions, Mark Jefferson Golding. On several occasions, you have been found wanting. And that is why I'm calling on Mark Jefferson Golding tonight. I am calling on Mark Jefferson Golding tonight, the highest paid politician in the country, to come out and tell the people of Jamaica when he knew, what he knew, and what he did about the information. We are calling on Mark Jefferson Golding tonight to tell the people of Jamaica what you knew, when you knew it. When did you find out that Michael Phillips' statutory declaration for 2022 was not certified? When did you find out? When did you find out, Mark Golding? Because the last time you went on the platform and you told the people of Jamaica that no one from your cabinet is under investigation and nobody from your cabinet is non-compliant as far as the IC is concerned. Everybody is up to par. So tell the people, and I hope the civil society group, Big Mouth Michael Jackson, Lead Mouth Jeanette Calder, and Big Mouth Diane Jackson Miller, I hope you don't come out with these questions for Dayton Campbell and Mark Golding come next week, Wednesday. You see, same like how the Gleaner did have the report up, and have the report and print it immediately after the Parliament over. I hope you don't have this report for print as soon as it is tabled in the Parliament next week. who put it on standby? See, I'm like how did they on standby last week when Mark Golding come with no confidence motion. See, I'm like how did they on standby the week before when the report was tabled. Who put it on standby next week? Because we want to know what Mark Golding knew. When did he find out that Michael Phillips, his senior member of his PNP cabinet, was 2022 statutory declaration was not satisfied? When did Mark Golding find out? Did you lie to did you knowingly, Jefferson? Did you knowingly lie to the people of Jamaica? We need to remove you from the parliament. We need to remove you, Mark Jefferson Golding. You, Mark Jefferson Golding. You are compromised. You are corrupt. You preside over one of the most corrupt. You and your 13 bandits who are corrupt. And now the Jamaican people is finally seeing that Mark Golding is a wolf in sheep clothing. Now Jamaican people is finally seeing that Mark Golding come like when you put paint on all building. Now Jamaican people is finally seeing that nothing, absolutely nothing that Mark Jefferson Golding said, you can trust him at his word. First, he told us that nobody from his party and nobody from his circle or his administration is under investigation. Then you have Dwayne Baz. He was charged. Then the senior member, a senior member of the People's National Party is referred by the public prosecution to be charged. Where is Mark Golding? Where is Mark Jefferson Golding, Omalu? He should have come out long time with a press conference. He should have go wake up KD Knight, the walking dead from out in nursing home. Where is Mark Golding and KD Knight? Where is Iron Balloon? What the lady name? What the Iron Balloon lady name what can't win no seat? What's she name? Dana Scott Motley. No credibility, Dana Scott Motley, and then I wake KD Knight. Where are those people? I hope you call them in tomorrow, Mark Jefferson Golding. I hope you call in those persons tomorrow and call the toilet paper cleaner and keep a press conference and update the people of Jamaica and tell the people of Jamaica, when did you find out that Michael Phillips 2022 statutory declaration was not certified and is still not certified? Okay? I hope you, Mark Jefferson Golding, call a press conference tomorrow and tell the people of Jamaica when you found out that Michael Phillips, senior member of your party, 2022 statutory declaration is not certified. Did you lie to the people of Jamaica, Mark Jefferson Golding? Did you lie to us? Talk to me, Golding. Talk to me, comrade leader. Did you lie to the people of Jamaica, Mark Golding? We need to know. We need to know what you knew when you knew it. Did you know before the PNP conference when you're on platform at about, hey, Andrew, I see. Did you know? What about February this year? Did you know? When did you find out? When did you find out, Mark Jefferson Golding? Uno say Mark Jefferson Golding no new and different, comrade? Uno say Mark Jefferson Golding no new and different? Uno remember when the Observer put out and say 5 members of the PNP is under investigation? Uno say I lie the Observer tell? Uno sisse and a lie the observer sell. Uno sisse and a lie the observer tell. Who remember? Who remembered when the Observer put out the article and said that 5 members of the Mark Jefferson Golin administration was under investigation for illicit enrichment? Who remember that article? Now we find number 1, 4 more to go. 4 more to go. Now we find number 1, Dazzle. 4 more to go. I tell you, guys. You see, Andrew Michael Holness, that man is covered. No weapon formed against Andrew Michael Holness shall prosper. I saw God have shown up one by one by one. More to come. More to come. 4 more to come. We find one of them. Thank you, Observer. We find one of them. We find one of them. From 2022, Michael Phillips' statutory declaration has not been certified. And follow me now, guys. When you have a discussion with the PNP, and they must say, oh, Andrew, statutory declaration is not being certified because the Integrity Commission cannot explain in wealth. Okay. Okay. Let me repeat that. When you have a conversation with the PNP people, their argument is that the reason why Andrew Holness' statutory declaration has not been certified is because he has unexplained wealth. What is the reason why Michael Phillips' statutory declaration has not been certified since 2022? Any bright comrade can tell me that? We're in October 2024, and as we speak, Michael Phillips' statutory declaration for the year 2022 has not been certified. Why? Any bright comrade can answer that? Any bright comrade can answer that? Send me a request. Going once, going twice. Any bright comrade can give me an answer for that? Remember, the argument is Andrew Holness' statutory declaration has not been certified because he has unexplained wealth. Why is Michael Phillips' statutory declaration for the year 2022 has not been certified? Any comrades? Any bright comrades? Or the same argument we have for Andrew is not the same argument for Michael? Talk to me. Talk to me, comrades. The same argument we go for Andrew Holness, it not go for Michael, don't, I bet you. I bet you not go tell me, say, no, a paperwork. Bet you not go tell me, say that. Because so no steer. We no continue to make excuses. You guys continue to make excuses for your party every single time because PNP is the party of corruption, the party of crime, the party of every single skullduggery. Yes, remember comrades, the argument is Andrew Holness' statutory declaration cannot be certified because he has an unexplained wealth. But now, since Michael Phillips, the non-integrity committee has been asking him for information from 2022 and give them now until we're there, what the reason why he never give them it? What the reason why they couldn't certify him, comrades? So the same knife will stick sheep, stick goat down. Don't it, comrades? The same knife will stick Andrew Holness. It don't stick. We can't bet on any money. I can bet you the comrades' argument is that a different situation. Me now ask Christ. A sound steer. A sound steer. When it comes to no party, no make excuses after excuses after excuses. When you ask them why Mark Golin accept their foreign, in now broke no law. Yet still in 2020, in 2015, wanna tear down Andrew Michael Olney say he need to bring home him. I said, what is he hiding? When me ask why Mark Jefferson Golding Company is investing 20 million US dollar in Bahamas, say that is business. That's a business. Every time when it comes to the People's National Party, is excuses after excuses after excuses. All hypocrite. Why Michael Phillips statutory declaration has not been certified since 2022? Why? Why, comrades? What is the reason? What was the hold up? Because we almost finished 2024 and the Michael Phillips statutory declaration has not been certified. And the question before us tonight, what about is 2023? And it's 2024. Are those certified in comrades? And who are the other 4 PNP members that is under investigation? Who are the other 4 PNP members that are under investigation for illicit enrichment? Because now that we realize now, say, and a lie the observer tell, we the people of Jamaica want Mark Golding to come out and keep a press conference and tell the people of Jamaica who are the other members of the PNP under investigation for illicit enrichment. Mark Golding, are you one of them? Are you one of them, Mark Golding? Are you under investigation for illicit enrichment, Mark Jefferson Golding? Mark Golding, are you under investigation for illicit enrichment? We want to know. Because we want to know if you lied to the people of Jamaica when you told us that all your members are certified and up to par. That was not true. That was not true, Mark Golding. That was not true. Here is the report today. Here is the report before us. According to Nationwide. I'm here saying, come try clear it up and say, oh, paperwork did delay. Really? And that your pick? And that your pick? And where the paperwork come from? Evan or RL? The so-called delayed paperwork, Michael Phillips. Where was it coming from? Evan or L? Are you the manufacturer it? We don't believe. We don't believe you, Michael Phillips. We do not believe you, and you need to resign as well. You need to resign as well because you sat beside Mark Jefferson Golding for 3 years while he spread propaganda and misinformation, knowing damn well that your 2022 statutory declaration was not certified. So you need to resign too. We need to bring a no-confidence motion to Parliament for Michael Phillips. Our government, our members need to bring a motion to the Parliament next week for Michael Phillips. We need to take him out of the Parliament because he lied to the people of Jamaica. Yes, you, Michael Phillips, you need to resign. You need to resign, Michael Phillips, because look here, guys. Remember the situation with Mama D? Or Mark Golding keep press conference and tell Mama D to resign? Make her watch and see what my government are going to do. Make her watch and see what my government are going to do, dazzle. Because Michael Phillips needs to resign. And he needs to resign from every committee of which he's a part of. Because he knew that his statutory declaration for 2022 was not certified, and he sat there beside Mark Jefferson Golding and pretend that all things was bright and beautiful when it wasn't. You, Michael Jackson, you need to resign. And the members of the Jamaica Labour Party in our parliament need to bring a motion to Parliament next week and vote on it and put Michael Phillips out of the parliament. He's untrustworthy. You, Michael Phillips, you are compromised. You are untrustworthy. Because you must have known, Michael, you must have known that your 2022 statutory declaration was not certified. You must have known, and they gave you and they gave you after you missed the deadline. You still never pay the money until you when they charge you. Therefore, you, Michael Phillips, you need to resign. Why did you, what took you? Michael, come here. Come here. Talk to me. What was the hold up? What was the reason for your non-compliance? Ain't we are hide? What were you hiding, Michael Phillips? Where it takes so long for bringing the paperwork to the Non-Integrity Commission from 2022? And another question to you, Michael Phillips. What about the 2023 statutory declaration? Are you certified? Are you certified, Michael? Talk to me. You, Michael, I know confidence motion is coming for you next week. And you, Mark Jefferson Golding, you need to come out and talk to the people of Jamaica. You say you're new and different. You say you're a man of clean heart and whatever, after than cow foot. How you not run out yet? How you not go wake up KD night out in dead house and come out in casket and bring him come with the other one name? Where are you? Me expect to turn on my TV and see you on TVJ. Where are you, Mark Golding? Anybody know if Mark Golding in the country? Anybody know if Mark Golding is in the country or him out of the country? All night because the people them want to sleep. 2 hours, 9, 10, 11. Okay? So tap up the screen and get me to 100K before I come off. Go to my YouTube channel, click on the bio and subscribe. Click up this thing and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Over there, me I go next week. Starting from next week Sunday, over my YouTube channel, me I go. JLP Talks Politics, you know, go on over there, go subscribe. Next thing on the agenda. No, let me done. Me not done with you, Mark Golding. Me not done with you. Come here, sit down, same place and a break time. Me not done with you, Mark Golding. Mark, look here, moderator, stop mute the cameras them, no, please and thanks. Me want hear them talk and when they tell me things. Look here, Mark Golding. The corrupt mayor what you have done at Mandeville, you see? Come for him. Mark, the corrupt what you have done at Mandeville here. Send for him now, please. Send for him. Please. The corrupt, non-progressive, lazy mayor what you have done at Manchester here. Could you please send for him? Please. Please, Mark Golding, send for your corrupt mayor, Mitchell, no, please. Because I have, for the life of me, different from Mayor Scott out of Spanish Town. This mayor do you have, we unleash from we down here in Manchester here. Jesus, God, we are called for divine intervention here. People of Manchester is called on divine intervention. Because only God alone can save you from this mayor way down here. So we have done here. We left down here give way. Mayor Mitchell. You don't remember when Mayor Mitchell say I'm a Christian and I'm a pastor? Which church in go? Anybody know which church Mayor Mitchell go? I want to go over in church Sunday. I wonder if I the one who run a nose road. Anybody know which church me and Michelle go? I want to go run in church, go talk to him, pastor. Because this man, yeah, you can't believe this mayor. First of all, guys, crime is at an all